We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx. Today I'm going to show you how to clear a paper jam, and I'm working with an HP M451dw. So with this printer there's only two places that you can have jams that you're able to clear. And the first one's going to be in the back. There's a little indentation right here, just pull that down. It's a little tricky, so you might have to pull a little bit harder. If the paper's here, it's easy just to pull it up and out. Anytime you're clearing a jam, you never want to pull too hard or go too fast when you're pulling it out. You could rip some paper off in there or damage some sensors. The other place is going to be in the top. If you see it sticking out here, you don't need to go to the back, just pull it up from the top. If you're seeing lots and lots of jams, even after clearing them, it's probably time to bring your printer in for service. If you're in need of any supplies or quotes, give your girl Brett a call and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.